Don't know if you guys are interested in getting into the classic car modification, restoration hobby, but I got to tell you, it's just titillating. I mean, there's some of the stuff that you do is so exciting. Like for instance, when you have to replace a fender, it's just gales of fun. And let me show you how to do this. And this is just, this is super exciting. First, you take a pick, and then you just start picking at the undercoating on every single fastener, all of them, every one, because this is not reproduced stuff. You can't buy it new, can't buy it used because it's all old. You gotta clear every single thread all the way. And you can't use a wire brush because if you do, you'll snap off the little ends here. See, they're old and they'll break off. And then the really fun part is when you realize that up under this rusty fender, which this here is Bondo, by the way, but if you go under here, you get to pick all this out, great chunks of this stuff, so that you can find a fastener that there's one here, there's one here, and there's one tucked right under there that you can't see, but you know it's there. This is the titillating stuff.